It'll be fun to show you. If you have one of these, you're going to want the GrillGrates for it, because you'll be surprised, as we were, the results that you can achieve with the grates. And again, you can flip them for the plancha this way, so the grates are reversible here, and the griddle. So you've got a grilling system for your June oven. So we're going to preheat the June also for 10 minutes. And I'm going over here to broil. Start broiling. Oh, isn't that nice? I get a count up timer that's going to let me know when I'm at 10 minutes. Lights are on the top. So this is a probe. Very impressive. Very small technology, small tip. So I'm going into the largest part of the meat, the thickest part. And then this plugs in right to the side, and I'm going to put a glove on when it's time to do that. I'm going to bring my trusty glove out, and we'll use that when we plug this into the June. Wow. So we're on broil. We've been on 3 minutes. And it also tells me, oh, there's another setting. Of course, we got to go to maximum power. Maximum warp. Very high broil. Nice. So we have been preheating for 7 minutes and 17 seconds. The June is telling me I'm at 470 inside the box. Let's take a quick peek and see what we are at the GrillGrates. Open up. 524, 530. Look at that. Fabulous. So we're running about 40 to 50 degrees hotter on the grates than we are in the air surrounding the grates. Wire stuck in my hand. Set thermometer. Let's see what that wants. Oh, look at this. This feels like cheating. 126. Set. This is impressive. Temperature's already back to 480 in the air around them. Gloves are really handy. Gee, steakhouse looking steak right there. Don't even need to use the glove and bring out. That's better. Oh. Thumbs up. Not bad at all. The June Smart Oven can cook a steak, baby.